Today we're going to show you how to single crochet into your back loop. So here we've been doing loops of single crochet, but it also works if you're doing rows. So this is actually the top of our bucket hat pattern, and we've got our handy stitch marker so that we can mark the beginning of each loop. So here you can see the 2 loops that form each stitch, and we are going to insert our hook only into that back loop. So here you can see, insert your hook into that back loop, yarn over, pull your yarn through, yarn over, pull your yarn through the remaining 2 loops. And so it's exactly like a normal single crochet, except we put our hook through the back loop only. So use your stitch marker to mark your first stitch, and then we'll do another one. Insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull your yarn through, yarn over, pull it through the remaining 2 loops. So let's have a closer look. Insert your hook into the back loop, pull your yarn over and through, yarn over, pull it through the remaining 2 loops. And it's as easy as that.